Namaste children, welcome back to another session of our block 9, that is digestion, where in our LP1 we came to know different organs that are involved in the digestion process. So in our LP2 we are going to learn the organs like teeth, tongue and saliva, and what is the role of these three organs in our digestive system. So now what is the main aim of our today's class? The main aim is how the teeth, tongue and saliva are helpful in the process of digestion. To understand how these teeth, tongue and saliva are helpful in the process of digestion. So in our today's class we are going to learn the keywords like saliva, bolus and moist. So saliva means it is a liquid that is produced out of the mouth and that helps in the swallowing the food material. It's a liquid that is oozed out in our mouth and helpful in the swallowing of food material. Now the second keyword, that is bolus, a very small round of mass or a ball of food that is helpful in the swallowing process.
Bolus. A small round mass of food that is made before swallowing.
Now the third one is moist. Moist means wetness. Little wetness or a slight wetness we are calling as a molus.
Moist. Slightly wet.
Yes.
Saliva. The liquid produced in the mouth that helps us to swallow.
Okay. So to understand today's class, let us copy down this tabular column, children. So already we have an idea about different types of teeth that are present in our body, in our mouth. So crushing biscuits, to crush the biscuits, to chew them properly, which type of teeth we are using, means which body part we are using, definitely that is teeth. Why this action it is helpful? Yes, so to understand and complete this table, at first let us observe a small video. So before that, take a screenshot of this tabular column and copy down this tabular column in your classworks white paper side and keep a heading 9.2. Okay children.
Teeth, tongue, and saliva help in digesting food. Teeth crush food into smaller pieces. Saliva makes food moist and helps in chewing. Tongue moves and pushes food towards esophagus.
So children, by the video we understood the main role of teeth, tongue and saliva in our digestive system. So now let us complete the tabular column. So in this tabular column, at first the action is crushing biscuits. So which mouth parts that are helpful in crushing the biscuits? Definitely that is teeth. So why this action is useful? It is useful to make the food into a smaller pieces. Now wetting and softening the biscuits. Yes, wetting and softening the biscuits, it is due to saliva. It helps in the swallowing food material, and even the saliva it is helpful for the digestion process also. Now the third one, that if you will see, the third part or the action, that is moving biscuits through the mouth. So this is because of the tongue. So how this action it is helpful? So when you are moving the biscuits, or when the tongue it is pushing the biscuits, that time it can helpful to mix the food with saliva properly and even it will place the food material in between the teeth properly so that you can chew them. Okay, yes. So now children, yes, which parts of the mouth are helpful to digest the food material? Can you please tell? Definitely, you are absolutely right. Teeth, tongue and saliva, these are the main three parts that are helpful in the digestion of food material, which are seen in the mouth region. Now the second one, how do the teeth, tongue and saliva helpful in digestion process? If you will see the teeth, these teeth, they are meant helpful in crushing the food. If it is a tongue, it is helpful in the movement, or it helps by pushing the food material in between the teeth, which even helps in the proper mixing of saliva. So now saliva, how this saliva it is helpful? Saliva, it is helpful to moisten the food material so that we can swallow it easily. At the same time, saliva, it is even helpful by releasing our saliva itself. It is a digestive juice which is acting on the food materials and starts breaking the food materials into simple substances. It is helpful in conversion of complex food substances into simple food substances. What will happen if the food is not chewed properly? Very good. If the food is not chewed properly, food is not becoming as a paste. When you are chewing the food properly, that food, it breaks down into smaller pieces and becomes as a paste, which is helpful in the proper digestion of food. But if the same food, if you are not chewing it properly, it will not become into smaller parts, and even proper digestion of food won't occur. Yes. So now after listening the class, children, let us complete our worksheet. So in our worksheet, at first they had given you to identify the parts. The first A1, it is your tongue. What is the A1? The A1, this is your tongue. Now the B1, that is, one second. The A1, that is your teeth. And the B1, this is your tongue. And the C1 is the saliva. Okay, children. Tongue, teeth, tongue and saliva. So now, the second one, if you will see, if you eat a slice of bread, what will your teeth do to it in the process of digestion? You are eating a slice of bread. What your teeth are doing? Your teeth, they are helpful in crushing, biting and crushing the food material, so that now the food, it changes into a small paste. Now the third one, if you will see, how do the saliva and the tongue help in the digestion? Saliva makes the food material moist, and saliva makes the food moist, and tongue helps the food material to push within the mouth. Now the third question, if you will see, Rohit eats his food very quickly without chewing it properly. Is it is a healthy habit? Give reasons for your answer. So without chewing the food, if anybody is eating, it's not at all a good habit, because chewing the food material makes the food into smaller pieces and later mixes with the saliva properly and becomes as a paste. So when you are chewing the food material, then only the food is digested properly. Okay, children, now let us have a quick look on the practice questions of your textbook. So dash are the white hard things that are found in the mouth. So definitely white hard things, so that are your teeth. A pink and a soft muscular organ found inside the mouth. Of course, it is your muscle. Okay. Write one function each of the teeth and the tongue in the process of digestion. Teeth helpful in biting the food and chewing the food properly, whereas the tongue, it is helpful in pushing the food material while so that food can be chewed by the teeth properly. Now the third one, what will happen if a person is missing teeth and is unable to chew the food? Food won't become into smaller pieces. It won't become into smaller pieces and proper digestion won't occur. What will happen there? Proper digestion, it won't occur. Okay, children? Yes. Okay, children, after watching the video, complete both worksheet and the practice questions of your textbook. Thank you so much.